There is truly no better way to experience the world's greatest destinations than cruising with Princess. And when you think of the finest flavors in the world, Tuscany is always top of mind. Wine is not just about taste, it's about place, history, and the people who pour their passion into every bottle. Aboard Princess, Sabatini's, inspired by Frescobaldi, brings the heart of Italy to you, immersing you in centuries-old traditions. Savor expertly crafted Tuscan-inspired dishes, alongside an expanded wine list featuring Frescobaldi's signature selections. With a heritage spanning over 700 years, each bottle and every bite tells a story of passion, craftsmanship, and the timeless art of Italian cuisine.
Wine family history in Frescobaldi goes back many, many centuries, at the 1300. The family starts before, here in the Florentine area. Then we started buying land and producing wine. Now it's 30th generation. My nephews and kids are 31st generation, so long way. Yet always very excited of what is happening tomorrow.
30 generations of winemaking, centuries of passion and dedication passed down from one family member to the next, each leaving their mark while carrying forward a legacy. Italian culinary traditions are more than just the ingredients. They are stories, passed down and shared. That's why the master chefs at Princess have created a dining experience that brings the heart of Italy to sea. Select dishes inspired by the legendary flavors of Frescobaldi's world-renowned restaurant in Florence, celebrating the tradition of simple, fresh ingredients paired with exquisite wines. It's more than just a meal. It's about connection. It's about bringing people together, just as they do in Tuscany, sharing stories, savoring flavors, and creating memories around the table. Now, you don't have to be in Tuscany to experience Italy's finest. With Princess, the authentic flavors of Tuscany are just a toast away.
Having had the chance of becoming a partner with Princess and Sabatini means a lot to us. We are honored about that. With a great bottle of wine, with some recipes from Tuscany, I think we can do a great path together.
A tradition and connection. This is more than a collaboration. It's a celebration of life's best moments.
To all the guests of Sabatini and Princess, as we say in Italy, salute!